Okay, good afternoon, students. आज तो टिके बहुत लेट है कारण तुम केमिस्ट्री क्लास चलता तो विदाउट डिले लेट अस स्टार्ट. So before starting this topic, definitely I would like to reconnect you with the previous classes, and now we are continuing the doctor's word written by R.K. Narayan, and unit 1 is over, unit 2 is also over, unit 3 was going on. Okay, and today the heading is unit 3 and 4. Definitely we will complete today unit 3 and 4. So just to have a flashback of the story, आमे पाठ पढ़ा स्टार्ट करिया पूर्व निश्चित भाव में आमे टिके फ्लैशबैक को जीवा काहे तुम मुंड में पूरा पूरी केमिस्ट्री कि फिजिक्स मैथ हो डेफिनेटली तुम इंग्लिश को आसिया पड़े आउथरे इंग्लिश कौन पढ़ाई टिके मन पकेबा ला तो आमे यूनिट 1 सारी दीचे that is about Dr. Raman and about his character, how he was very experienced doctor, and how his visiting fees was very high, and how people came to him when they were in their last legs, when they were at their last legs, and how he dragged life from Yama's hand. This is all about unit 1. And unit 2 is about today standing over the bed. The doctor himself wanted a person should tell him soothing lies. डॉक्टर रमन गोटे बेड पाखे ठिया से बेड रे गोटे पेसेंट अच्छी सी भावुं कहीं जड़े लोक आसंदा आ संपूर्ण मिछ कहता जे ये पेसेंट तुम बंचीज मन पड़ा तो सेकेंड क्लास जो पढ़ाई. Actually, on that bed, one patient was lying. That is his best friend Gopal. His best friend Gopal was a patient now, and their friendship was since 40 years. 40 years of friendship. Their friendship started from their kindergarten days. Means जितेबले से एलकेजी यूकेजी पढ़ते से फ्रेंडशिप स्टार्ट होता. Of course they could not meet, but Gopal used to come on Sundays till the doctor was free. They then dined together and also started gossiping each other. Actually, changing time, changing circumstances could not break their friendship. It was a classical friendship. One day he saw Gopal's son was sitting in the consulting hall. Then he remembered that Gopal had not come to him for long 3 months. It was an operation day. He was about to pass to the operation room and asked Gopal's son why he had come. And Gopal's son said that mother had sent him to come there. Then also Dr. Raman said what he could help him. He answered, mother had sent him and father was ill. That was the only sentence. He came to know that his friend was now on the sick bed. So on that particular day at 3 p.m. the doctor was free. Okay, 3 p.m. the doctor was free. So directly he rushed towards Lolly Extension where Gopal was living. What is Lolly Extension? It is also the area where Gopal was living. So when he entered, जेतेबेले से घर को देखि पहुंचते he saw Gopal was lying just like a dead body. And doctor asked Gopal's wife how long had he been in that bed. Doctor asked Gopal's wife, okay, how long he had been on that bed. And he came to know that he was on that bed. Okay, so he had been on that bed for 1.5. And then doctor wanted to know who was treating him, किए ताको ट्रीटमेंट करथिला. Gopal's wife answered him, a doctor in the next street. पाख साहिर गोटे डॉक्टर सी 3 दिन को थरे आसिक ट्रीटमेंट करथिला. देन डॉक्टर रमन टिके रागी जाइछन. कौन कहले कहले काहे कि मते आगो टिके जणेले, why could not you send a word earlier so that I could come and see my friend's condition. Okay, so there is no time to be lost. Let us start the treatment. And the doctor took up his coat and opened his bag and started giving medicine and tried giving medicine. And also he put that needle on the sizzle, on the stove. It was boiled, free from infection. से समय तो पे गोटे सिरिंज को समस्त दिया होता है. लास्ट टाइम कहती आ सहीटा को से कौन कले टिके बॉइल करा जाए, ताको इन्फेक्शन फ्री करा जाए, जर फ्री करा जाए. सो ए पर्यंत एक पढ़ाई थी लास्ट क्लास रे. लेट अस कंटिन्यू द रेस्ट पार्ट. You know, he took out an injection tube, the needle sizzled over the stove. The sick man's wife whimpered in a corner and essayed to ask questions. Please don't ask questions, snapped the doctor. Okay, sick man's wife means now unit 3 is going on. Sick man's wife means Gopal's wife. Gopal's wife. Whimper. What do you mean by whimper? Utters very weak sound. Note down the word whimper. Utter very weak sound. माने जोर रे न कहिग्री स्लो रे कहबा. कारण से मेंटली बहुत टेंशन थिले. तांका स्वामी कर देह खराब. निश्चित भाव रे एटा गोटे जेन्युइन थिंग. जेतेबेले हस्बैंड रो देह खराब थाए आ स्त्री टेंशन नहीं थाए तो सी तम देखि कहउछन्ती किछि प्रश्न पचारिया पे चेष्टा करछन्ती. ओके, हियर essay means not rachana. Essay means try. She tried to ask questions. What type of question? Any exam question? Entrance question? No. About her husband's health condition. मो स्वामी को कौन है मु जानी पारनी, मत टिके दरकार. माने से ओरल किसी पचार ना बट पचारिया भाया स्टाइल को पळै आसलेनी. बट डॉक्टर snapped. Please don't ask questions, snapped the doctor. Just he gave a snap through his eyes. ताके आखि ठार रे कह देले मते भी किसी पचार नहीं. जदि पचारे मो सब सत कथा बाहर पड़ियो गाली ना नहीं तो बेटर हो मते भी किसी पचार नहीं. He looked at the children who were watching the sterilizer and said, send them all away somewhere except the eldest. Who were in that house? तमे देखिथियो पिले आगे गाँ गहली जदि गोटे डॉक्टर साइकेल धरिक पळै आसे पिला माने ता पछरे दौड़ दौड़ी पळै आसे. ताको मजा से जो सीरीजटा देखिया से डॉक्टर देखिले बहुत पिला से रूम रे घोड़ी करछथि. से कोन कहले ऑल चिल्ड्रन शुड लीव दिस रूम. सबु पिला माने ए रूम छाड़िया को पड़ियो. एल्डेस्ट माने बड़ माने रहिले चलिबो. सबु पिला माने रहिले मु कोन ट्रीटमेंट करि परिबे कि इंजेक्शन दे परिबे. सबु पिला मान को बाहर को पठाया पे कहले डॉक्टर. ओके, आउ सबु बड़ माने द एल्डेस्ट शुड स्टे. He sat in the drug, sat back in his chair and gazed on the patient's face for over an hour. He sat in the drug. What do you mean by sat in? He was involved in the drug. He was busy in the drug. He tried one after another drug. Several drugs. Drugs means what? Medicine. Sometimes pill, sometimes injection. से किसी injection दियंती, किसी medicine दियंती. सब प्रकार से चेष्टा चले चलती. Okay, he was completely involved with that drug. Drug means medicine. Sat back in his chair. Sat back means he was very close to the patient, but sat back in his chair. टिके distance रे से chair रे टिके पछुको पड़ले. And gazed on the patient's face for over an hour. Gazed on the patient's face. Gaze means what? Gaze means looked constantly. For over an hour. Over an hour. गोटे घंटा धरिकी गोटे लक्ष्य चाहिए काले पेसेंट किसी इंप्रूवमेंट होची ना नहीं, काले पेसेंट आखि खुलुची ना नहीं, काले पेसेंट ठिया होची ना नहीं, बसुची ना नहीं, इंप्रूवमेंट किसी होची ना नहीं. The doctor gazed at the patient's face for an hour. The patient still remained motionless. बहुत दुखर कथा. Patient was still in motionless. Motionless means no motion. Motion means कौन आम कोचे गति. उड़िया रे कौन कोचे गति. Motionless means गतिहीन. सेठी patient गतिहीन भावरे पड़ी की रही है. Means हल नहीं कि चल नहीं. आम जोड़ा कोचे हलचल नहीं. The doctor's face gleamed with perspiration. So gleam, the word, right, the word gleam, a sudden expression of an emotion in eye. A sudden expression of emotion. Normally in eyes. आखिर इमोशन देखा जाए, इमोशन टा मुहरे देखा जाए, नहले आखिर देखा जाए. Sudden expression. He gleamed. Means his face became pale. तांग मुह पूरा पूरी मलिन पड़ी गलानी. तांग मुहर बहुत इमोशन भी देखा गलानी, दुखर इमोशन. काहे कि ना से बहुत चेष्टा करछन्ती किंतु सांगर बा गोपाल रो बा पेशेंट रो किछि भी इंप्रूवमेंट आसुनी. And also his face became perspiration. What do you mean by perspiration? Sweated. माने झाड़ुआ झाड़ुआ हे गलानी. टेंशन रे प्ले नॉर्मली हमर झाड़ बाहर तुम बोल से जानते हो. आम जिते टेंशन होचे कौन हो आम झाड़ बाहर पड़े. जिते कोर्ट रे गोटे लोक मिछ कौन तामर झाड़ बाहर पड़े बिकॉज ऑफ इमोशन, बिकॉज ऑफ टेंशन. सो द डॉक्टर बिकेम टेंशन एंड हिज eyelids drooped with fatigue. What do you mean by fatigue? Fatigue means tiredness. माने दिन सारा परिश्रम खराल से खाए ना डायरेक्ट ऑपरेशन थिएटर रो डायरेक्ट पळै आसले कोठी गोपाल घर को पळै आसले तांगर आखि पता मोड़े होकर पड़ी. आम जमी राति सारा बेले अनिद्रा रहा ता पर दिन कॉलेज को जा पाठ पढ़ा आम अजाणत आम चाहिए आम आखि पता मोड़े पड़ जाए. सो बिकॉज ऑफ फैटिग, बिकॉज ऑफ टायर्डनेस आम जो कहे बेसी क्लांत हो बिकॉज ऑफ टायर्डनेस हिज eyelid drooped. The sick man's wife stood in a corner and watched silently. She asked timidly, "Doctor, shall I make some coffee for you?" The sick man's wife stood in a corner. गोपालंकर स्त्री से गोटे कोणरे ठिया होइछन्ती. से पचारले timid, write the word timid, Timid. Timid means shy or nervous. Shy or nervous, or we can say fearfully. डरी डरी जो पचार रहा है, shy, nervous or fearfully, timidly. गोपाल को स्त्री टिके नर्भस रे पचार चंदी. कौन पचार चंदी? डॉक्टर, shall I make some coffee for you? आपण पे किछि कॉफी कर देबी. डायरेक्ट तो कॉफी करके आनी दे दा कथा. ये पचार आपण पे किछि कॉफी कर देबी. बट डॉक्टर एते बिजी थिले ट्रीटमेंट रे, एते टेंशन थिले, ताका मन आ किछि कोठी नथिला, ताका मुंडो भी किछि काम कर नथिला. He replied, "No." Although he felt famished. What do you mean by famished? Write the word F-A-M-I-S-H. F-A-M-I-S-H-E-D. Famished means hungry. Famished means hungry. But doctor refused to take a coffee. Doctor मना कले कॉफी पिया पे. अवश्य ताको भोक होतिला. काहे भोक होतिला? He was really feeling hungry because having missed his midday meal. He had missed his midday meal. He had missed his lunch. से दिनर खराळ खिया से खाई ना हंदी. डायरेक्ट ऑपरेशन थिएटर रु लॉली एक्सटेंशन पळे आछंदी. आ खाइबे केतळे? ताके पाखे समय बाके. अवश्य ताको भोक होची बट से मना करछन खाइबे. एथरु पले चिंता करो. तांकर फ्रेंडशिप केते स्ट्रांग थिला. He was thinking about his friend. He was thinking about his treatment. He was trying his level best how to survive, how to get back his friend. He was physically and mentally involved in that treatment. That is the emotion, that is the tension, that is the fatigue, that is the tiredness. So he had forgotten his lunch. Though he was feeling hungry, but he could not say to take food because he might be disturbed in his treatment. He might be disturbed in his treatment. So he refused Gopal's wife, okay, to take coffee or something. Then he got up and said, I will be back in a few minutes. Don't disturb him on any account. He picked up his bag and went to his car. All of a sudden, the doctor got up. ବସିଥିଲେ ବସିଥିଲେ ଚେୟାରରେ ସଡନ୍ ଉଠି ପଡ଼ିଲେ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ବ୍ୟାଗ୍ ପତ୍ର ସବୁ ରେଡ଼ି କଲେ ଯେଉଁ ବ୍ୟାଗ୍ ଧରିକି ଆସିଥିଲେ ବ୍ୟାଗ୍ ପତ୍ର ସବୁ ରେଡ଼ି କଲେ ଆଉ କ'ଣ କହିକିରି ଗଲେ I will be back in a few minutes. ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଫେରିକିରି ଆସିବି. Don't disturb him on any account. The patient is still sleeping. Don't disturb him on any account. କୌଣସି ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ବି ଏ ପେସେଣ୍ଟକୁ ତୁମେ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରିବନି ବା ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଗୋପାଳକୁ ତୁମେ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରିବନି ବା ମୁଁ ପଳେଇଲା ପରେ ତୁମେ ଆସିକି ହଏ ଶୁଣୁଛ ଉଠ ହେ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିବନି କେବେ ହେଲେ ଯଦି ତାକୁ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରିବ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ହେଇପାରେ ତ ତୁମେ ଏ ପାଖରେ ଜମା ରୁହନି ତୁମେ ତାକୁ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବ କରନି ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଯାଉଛି ଏବେ ଆସୁଛି then in a quarter of an hour he was back. Quarter of an hour. What do you mean by quarter of an hour? एक चतुर्थांश माने गोटे घंटा 60 मिनट चारि भागରୁ गोटे भाग ହେଲା କେତେ 15 मिनट so 15 minute is quarter of an hour so he back within 15 minutes 15 मिनट भितरे से फेरिक पळे आसले आ कोन धरिक आछन पहिले देखो मीठा मीठा स्वीट्स धरिक आसथिबे ना एप्पल पेपल धरिक आसथि सांगर देह खराब ना से समय खाइबार समय नथिला पेशेंट पे हला बंचिबार राह भी नथिला शेष समय पळे आसथिला फॉलोड बाय एन असिस्टेंट एंड ए नर्स डॉक्टर का धरिक आसले असिस्टेंट को आ नर्स को धरिक आसले गोटे असिस्टेंट आ गोटे नर्स किछि बुझा पड़ने कोन अवस्था पेशेंट को कोन हेछि आमे भी जानिने वी आर द रीडर till today we have not got an idea regarding Gopal's health condition आमे भी तार हेल्थ कंडीशन जानिने गोपालकर कोन हेछि किंतु से गोटे असिस्टेंट नर्स और ऑपरेशन थिएटर जेति सब जिंस पत्र सब धरि पळे आसले द डॉक्टर टोल्ड द लेडी ऑफ द हाउस आई हैव टू परफॉर्म एन ऑपरेशन द डॉक्टर टोल्ड द लेडी विच गोपाल्स वाइफ मैडम मते ऑपरेशन एबे करिया को पड़ियो गोपाल्स वाइफ why she asked faintly मु जते जोर रे कहछि से सिन करथले faintly means very weakly why like that and out of emotion out of choking in voice she was uttering the word why 3 times because she got confused why the doctor wanted to perform operation आ गोटे कथा पिले गोटे सिली मैटर जदि लॉली एक्सटेंशन डॉक्टर पाख तो सी भी गोपाल को कार धरिक ऑपरेशन थिएटर जाई पार था हाँ ना नहीं गोपाल पुओ थिला गोपाल स्त्री थिला और साई पड़िशा लोक थे गोपाल को टेकिक कार नहीं ऑपरेशन थिएटर नहीं जाए ऑपरेशन थिएटर रे सब फैसिलिटी अछि सेठी भी ऑपरेशन करि परथांते सो व्हाई डॉक्टर रमन केम विथ एन असिस्टेंट एंड ए नर्स टू परफॉर्म ऑपरेशन इन गोपाल्स हाउस सो व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट द रीजन इज गोपाल्स कंडीशन वाज टू सीरियस जदि गोपाल को टिके टेका जाए हला टिके टेका जाए ऊपर को से जो टिके निश्वास प्रश्वास जाओ नहीं करी शेष हो चैप्टर क्लोज हो जिवो एते सीरियस कंडीशन ताको टेकी देले से मर जिवो सेति भी बाध्य होकरी डॉक्टर रमन गोटे असिस्टेंट आ गोटे नर्स को धरिकरी गोपाल को घर को आछंती आ तांको घरे ऑपरेशन करिवे बोली कहछथि सो आई विल टेल यू ऑल दैट सून विल यू लीव योर son here to help us and go over to the next house and stay there till I call you so madam can you do something for me please go to the next room I will tell you everything else but not now because you are now in not good state of condition so please go but the lady felt giddy DDY. Giddy means right, hopeless. Giddy means hopeless. Giddy means full of tension, full of nervous, and feeling faint or feeling, we can say faint. GIDDY. Giddy means DG means feeling faintly. ମାନେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛେ ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛା ପଡ଼ିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ କେମିତି ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛା ପଡ଼ିବ, ବସିଥିବ ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛା ପଡ଼ିବ କି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆଖିଟା ବନ୍ଦ କରିବେ ଯେମିତି ହବ, ତାପରେ ତଳେ ପଡ଼ିଯିବ. That condition is called DG or giddy. Okay, not GD, giddy. Okay. And sank down on the floor. What do you mean by sank down? To fall. SANK. Sank down means to fall on the floor. ସିଏ ତଳେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲେ ଗୋପାଳଙ୍କର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲେ ଯେ ଡକ୍ଟର କହୁଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ଅପରେସନ କରିବେ, unable to bear the strain, ମାନେ ଯୋଉ କଷ୍ଟ ସହ୍ୟକୁ ସିଏ ଅକ୍ଷମ ହେଇଗଲେ. କୋଉ କଷ୍ଟ ନା ତାଙ୍କ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡର ମାନେ କଣ୍ଡିସନ କ'ଣ ହବ କ'ଣ ନାହିଁ, ଏବେ ଅପରେସନ କରାହବ, ଆମ ଘରେ ଆଉ ଅପରେସନ କରାହବ, ତାର ଅର୍ଥ ମୋ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡର କଣ୍ଡିସନ ବହୁତ ସିରିୟସ୍, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ସେଠି ମୂର୍ଚ୍ଛା ପଡ଼ିଗଲେ. The nurse attended to her and laid her out. ନର୍ସ କ'ଣ କଲେ, ତାକୁ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କଲେ, କାହାକୁ, ଗୋପାଳଙ୍କ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ, ତାକୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରୁମ୍ରେ ନେଇକି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲେ, କବାଟ ବନ୍ଦ କରିକି ଆସିଲେ. ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ତମର ୟୁନିଟ୍ 3. ଅପରେସନ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଲା ପରେ ଅପରେସନ୍ ଚାଲିଲା, ଅପରେସନ୍ ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ହେଇଛି ନା ଆମେ ଜାଣିନେ. Let us start unit 4. At about 8 in the evening, the patient opened his eyes, stirred slightly in the bed. 8 in the evening. ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା 8ଟା ସମୟରେ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ଆଖି ଖୋଲିଲେ, ଅର୍ଥାତ୍ ଅପରେସନ୍ ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ହେଲା ବୋଲି ଆମେ ଭାବୁଛେ. ନାଇଁ, ଅପରେସନ୍ ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ହେଇନି କି ଅପରେସନ୍ ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ହେଲା ଆମକୁ ପରେ ଜାଣିବା, ମାନେ ଆମେ ପରେ ଜାଣିବା. କିନ୍ତୁ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା 8ଟା ସମୟରେ ସିଏ ଆଖି ଖୋଲିଲେ. କିଏ ଆଖି ଖୋଲିଲେ? ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ଆଖି ଖୋଲିଲେ. କାହିଁକିନା ଅପରେସନ୍ ହେଇଛି, ଅପରେସନ୍ ସରିଯାଇଛି, ମେଡିସିନ ବି ଦିଆ ହେଇଯାଇଛି. ସେଥିପାଇଁ 8 in the evening, ଟାଇମ୍ ଟା ମନେ ରଖୁଥାଅ, 8 PM he opened his eyes. କାହିଁକି ଆମେ ମାଇନରଲି ପଢୁଛେ ପିଲେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ, କାହିଁକିନା MCQ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆସିବ. ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ପାଠଟାକୁ ଯେତେ ସମୟ ପଢ଼ିବା, ଯେତେ ଭଲସେ ବୁଝିବା, we can attend MCQ questions. That's right. So when did the patient open his eyes? 8 PM. At 8 PM in the evening, the patient opened his eyes and stirred slightly in bed. STIRRED. Stirred means moved. Twisted or moved. आस्ते आस्ते टिके मूवमेंट कले. गोपाल रात 8टारे टिके आखि खोलिले आउ टिके मूवमेंट कले. मूवमेंट मीनिंग भावने ठिया होकर बसी पड़े बा ठिया होकर दौड़ी पड़े, रनिंग कले ना, हाथ गोड़ टिके हलचल कले. That is stirred slightly movement. Okay, this is slightly movement in bed. The assistant was overjoyed and he exclaimed enthusiastically, "Sir, he will pull through." The assistant was overjoyed. So when the assistant saw Gopal's condition, Gopal stirred slightly in his bed. Assistant became very happy and said, "Yes, sir, operation is a success. Operation is a success. And sir, he will pull through." What do you mean by pull through? Pull through means recover from illness. Sir, your friend will recover from illness. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସାଙ୍ଗ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଭଲ ହେଇଯିବେ, କାରଣ ସେ ଆଖି ଖୋଲିଲେଣି ଆଉ ଟିକେ ବଡି ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖେଇଲେଣି. The doctor looked at him coldly. What do you mean by cold? Coldly. Cold means don't think थंडा. ଏବେ जो कोल्ड वार ହେଇଥିଲା, कोल्ड वार ଶୁଣିଛ ତ? आफ्टर सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार कोल्ड वार ହେଇଥିଲା, ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଥଣ୍ଡା वार. ଏମାନେ ତାକୁ କୋଲ୍ଡ ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କ୍ସ ପିଉଥିଲେ, ସେମାନେ କୋଲ୍ଡ ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କ୍ସ ପିଉଥିଲେ ନା. କୋଲ୍ଡ ମିନ୍ସ ଏଙ୍ଗ୍ରି. କୋଲ୍ଡ ମିନ୍ସ ଏଙ୍ଗ୍ରି, ମାନେ ସ୍ଲାଇଟ୍ ଏଙ୍ଗ୍ରି, जो आसीस्टाट ओभरजय होगा आ कहला आपंकर सांग बंचीजे सी टे रागिकी चाहिए बापा मु डॉक्टर ना तू डॉक्टर टिके रही जा टिके ब्रेक मारे एत एक्साइटेड है ना मु जानी पेशेंट कंडीशन कौन सो दैट्स व्हाई द डॉक्टर लुक्ड एट हिम कोल्डली एंड व्हिस्पेर्ड अब धीरे धीरे कहते आई वुड गिव एनीथिंग टू सी हिम थ्रू बट द हार्ट आई वुड सी एनीथिंग मु निश्चित भाव किसी भल देखा चाहूँगी बट द हार्ट डॉट 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 मीन्स द हार्ट इज नॉट सपोर्टिंग एथर बोले जापर गोपाल कौन ऑपरेशन होता एक्चुअली हार्ट ऑपरेशन होता मेजर हार्ट ऑपरेशन ओपन हार्ट ऑपरेशन घरे ही कर देते डॉक्टर ओके सर द पल्स इज इम्प्रूव आसिस्टेंट सर मैं पल्स भी देखुची टिके भल आस बहुत इम्प्रूव कर हाँ वेल वेल रिप्लाई द डॉक्टर डोंट ट्रस्ट इट बट डोंट ट्रस्ट दिस पल्स एबे जो पल्स गुड़ा आप देखुं यहाँ को विश्वास करते इट इज ओनली ए फॉल्स फ्लैश ऑफ इट इज ओनली ए फॉल्स फ्लैश ऑफ दिस इज जस्ट ए सडन रे ऑफ होप ये आपको जो देखा जो पल्स आप देखुं ये किसी ना ये सडन पे रल सत जमी दीप जमी लिभा पूर्व जोर की जलिक लिभिज सेमती फल्स फ्लैश ऑफ जगह देखा पल्स रे गुड़ा को आप विश्वास करते very common in these cases. He ruminated for a while and added. What do you mean by ruminate? Ruminate means talk over in the mind. Means he thought something in his mind. Actually, ruminate ro another meaning जो गाय माने खाउछनी पाकुली करिवा. But here, ruminate's meaning is not like that. But here, talk over in the mind, just thought differently. Okay, thought something else. And added, if the pulse will keep up till 8 in the morning, I will go on for the next 40 years. If the pulse, what you are just feeling, if this pulse will continue next 8 a.m. Now it is 8 p.m. and next 8 a.m. जदि ए pulse continue कला 12 घंटा एबे राति 8टा हला सकाळ 8टा पर्यंत जदि एमिति pulse रहिला I will bet you मु निश्चित भाव में तुम सहित ग्यारंटी देवी तुमको चैलेंज देकी कहबी माय फ्रेंड विल सर्वाइव अप टू नेक्स्ट 40 इयर्स और 40 वर्ष पर्यंत मो सांगर किसी हेनी पेसेंट पूरा पूरी रिकवर कर 40 इयर्स भितर हार्ट प्रॉब्लम किसी आसोनी बट आई डाउट वेरी मच इफ वी शैल सी एनीथिंग ऑफ इट एट ऑल आफ्टर 2 tonight बट आई डाउट Doctor among doubt means it's a confirm. I doubt 2 a.m. This is the deadline for Gopal. एबे 8टा 9टा 10टा 11टा 12टा घंटे 2टा 1 2 3 4 5 और 5 घंटा भितर ए पेशेंट चली जाउछन राति 2टा रे ए पेशेंट डेफिनेटली मरी जिवे यदि भगवान करती सकाल 8टा पर्यंत पल्स रहे ताहले से नेक्स्ट 40 इयर्स बचे जदि राति 2टा मोर पूरा पूरी डाउट ये राति 2टा रे चैप्टर क्लोज ओके सो ही सेंट अवे द असिस्टेंट एंड सेट beside the patient he sent away the assistant because assistant was taken because of operation to help him in operation when the operation was over when the patient showed a little bit improvement but still there was a doubt in doctor's mind that his friend would die at 2 a.m. so no necessary to keep and disturb his assistant so he sent away his assistant and he stayed there and sat beside the patient pakare bosile he showed a slight improvement he was able to take in a little food the patient was showed again little improvement he was able to take some food और से किसी खाद्य खाइले किए किसी खाद्य खाइले गोपाल तो भावनी बोले खाद्य माने बिरयानी चिकन पकड़ा बस खाई देथिए सी तो बेड रे पड़छन हल नहीं कि चल नहीं टिके लिक्विड फूड तक पेटे टिके दियाला but he was able to take something means a little food a great feeling of relief and joy went through the household they swarmed around the doctor and poured out their gratitude. Joy and relief went through the household. समस्त मनरे खुशी जाओ आम पेशेंट बंचीगला जाओ गोपाल इज नाउ आउट ऑफ डेंजर सो समस्ते खुशी होले समस्ते खुशी और समस्ते राउंड कर सारे डॉक्टर को डॉक्टर बस पेशेंट पाखे पछपटे समस्ते राउंड कर ले स्वार्म SWARM स्वार्म मीन्स व्हाट गैदर SWARM स्वार्म मीन्स गैदर स्वार्म रियल मीनिंग होछ कले माने पल्ल बा दल जोडा हम कहछे महुमाछी महुमाछी जेतले आसन तांको कहउछि स्वार्म ऑफ बीज बट हियर स्वार्म रेफर टू द पीपल they just gathered just like the bees okay and they surrounded to the doctor and they poured out their gratitude से माने ताकर कृतज्ञता ज्ञापन करछन थैंक यू सर आपण जोगुरु ए पेशेंट बंची गला आपण बहुत बढ़िया काम कले योर ऑपरेशन इज सक्सेस पछाड़ समस्त थैंक यू आ ग्रेटिट्यूड पूरा ढाई पकोछन तार पछाड़ कि डॉक्टर न सुनला रहछ कारण डॉक्टर भला भाबरे जानिछि ए पेशेंट राति 2 रे मरि जाउछि आबे जदि बेसी थैंक यू रिसीव कर देबी ग्रेटिट्यूड रिसीव कर दे राति 2 रे मला परे काली सकाळ गाली मध्ये रिसीव करिया पड़ियो सकाळ सकाळ गाली करिया आसी ना नहीं सो he sat in his seat beside the bed gazing sternly at the patient's face hardly showing any sign of hearing what they were saying to him he was showing hardly any reaction means he was showing no reaction what they were telling to doctor how they were pouring their gratitude how they were wishing thank you but the doctor knowingly avoided to receive their gratitude the sick man's wife asked him is he now out of danger without turning his head the doctor said give glucose and brandy every 40 minutes just a couple of spoons will do another situation emotional a scene came what was the emotional scene गोपाल स्त्री सी ऑब्जर्व करुचे गोटे जिन ऑब्जर्व कर समस्त एत थैंक यू कहते डॉक्टर को ग्रेटिट्यूड दौरान बट डॉक्टर किसी रिएक्शन कहीं देखुना सी बोधे भाविले समथिंग इज बिहाइंड इट द डॉक्टर इज हाइडिंग समथिंग से आसिक पचारे इज ही आउट ऑफ डेंजर मो स्वामी आउट ऑफ डेंजर अच्छा कि विपद मुक्त अच्छा कि डॉक्टर आंसर शुण सी हाँ करिया कथा कि नाई करिया कथा हाँ तुम स्वामी आउट ऑफ डेंजर बोले फ्री नाई तुम स्वामी आउट ऑफ डेंजर नाई बोले दुख टेंशन तो सी सेमती कहना कौन कहले गिव ग्लूकोज एंड ब्रांदी एवरी 40 मिनट्स गिव ग्लूकोज एंड ब्रांदी एवरी 40 मिनट्स तांकर क्वेश्चन थिला कौन आंसर थिला कौन बुझा पड़छ ना तमें मत गोटे इंग्लिश क्वेश्चन पचार सर एठी आर्टिकल ए लगे ना एन लगे मु कही कौन कही बहीटा बंद करी घर जा और भाई बहीटा बंद करी घर जा ना मो पेन टा टिके देलु माने आम ताको क्रॉस आंसर सी वांटेड टू नो अबाउट हर हस्बैंड्स हेल्थ कंडीशन बट ही आंसर्ड डिफरेंटली दैट इज टू प्रोवाइड ग्लूकोज एंड ब्रांदी ब्रांदी तुम जानछो इट इज ए लिकर अल्कोहल ताको टिके अल्कोहल दे गेले माने ऑपरेशन पर ब्रांदी दियंती टिके ठिपिटे ब्रांदी दे दियंती बोले से टिके सोई पड़ियो आखि बुझी सोई पड़ियो पेन किलर वाला से काम दो हैला आउ जब जदी बेसी पी दले आ से पेन किलर वाला काम करियोनी ब्रेक डांस वाला काम करियो हैला so the lady went away to the kitchen she felt restless she felt she must know the truth whatever it was okay whatever it was so students I think the time is getting weaker and weaker just like the patient's condition okay so next class definitely will start unit 4 5 and 6 और next class रे definitely हमें साथ दवा okay thank you